Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question from JEE Main 2024, 4 April, shift second. In a system, two particles of masses m1 equal to 3 kg and m2 equal to 2 kg are placed at a certain distance from each other. The particle of mass m1 is moved toward the center of the mass of the system through a distance 2 cm. In order to keep the center of mass of the system at the original position, the particle of the mass m2 should move toward the center of the mass by a distance of how much? So here student, here is a two particle systems. So let center of mass is this, and particle are placed. This is m1 mass 3 kg and m2 mass 2 kg, and distance of the center of mass, this is xcm, is x1 from m1 and from x2 from m2. So position of center of mass xcm equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 over m1 plus m2, and this will be xcm equal to m1 is 3 x1, this is 2 x2, 3 plus 2. Okay, this is our first. When m1 moves 2 centimeter towards center of mass xcm, let m2 moves d distance. So taking x dash cm equal to 3 into x1 minus 2 plus 2 into x2 minus d over 3 plus 2. Since center of mass is not displaced, it is constant at its place, so x dash cm equal to xcm or x dash cm minus xcm equal to 0. So subtracting these, putting these values, 3 x1 minus 2 plus 2 x2 minus d over 5 minus 3x1 plus 2x2 over 5. So 1 upon 5 is common, 3 is common from this, so x1 minus 2 minus x1 plus 2 is common from this, so x2 minus d minus 2. So this x1 cancel, this is equal to 0. So 1 upon 5, 3 2 is 6 plus here 2x2, this is 2x2 minus d minus 2x2, so sorry x2, so x2 cancel, we have 2 into minus d. Okay, so 5 is gone in cross multiplication in 0, so minus 6 minus 2d equal to 0. Therefore minus 2d equal to 6, d equal to minus 3. So the distance is decreasing, so its sign is negative, so we take d as 3 centimeter. So distance is 3 centimeter in this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.